What's the meaning of baby carriage? Baby carriage. Baby carriage.
Baby carriage. Baby carriage. A baby carriage is a type of wheeled vehicle designed for infants and young children. Also known as a stroller or pram, it typically consists of a frame with 4 wheels, a handlebar for pushing, and a removable bassinet or seat unit. Baby carriages are used to transport babies and toddlers while outside the home, and can be either light and compact or more substantial and durable. They come in a range of styles and colors, with many models featuring adjustable features to accommodate growing children and provide comfort and safety.